Instagram, how to add music to story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add music to story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to add music to story on Instagram, all you have to do is open the Instagram application here, and then you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just simply make sure to tap the your story option from the top of the screen here and just select a random story that you would like to add here. Once you select a random story, you want to add a music to this story. So to add a music to this story, tap the sticker icon from the top right hand side, which is just like this little sticker icon here. When you tap on that icon, you will see all the stickers where you have to select this option called music and tap on it. Now you can just select a music that you like from the recommendations, or you can search for a music that you want to if it is available. You can select the music here. You can choose to select music only, or you can add a certain sticker to let people know that you added a music, or you can also choose another sticker. Depending upon whatever you like, you can also change the duration or the verse on which you want the song to actually appear over here. Once you've done that, tap the done option, and now you can add a music and then share this to your stories. This way you should be able to add music to Instagram story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.